Hi, I'm Futura, and now you can make easily and intuitively your transactions through our smart kiosk. Make your withdrawals through the ATM. Buy cryptocurrencies. Clear checks in seconds. Pay your bills. Make domestic and international mobile recharges. Buy international gift cards. Apply for microloans, and more. Now, tap the button of the service you want to use and follow the instructions on the screen. Are you ready to enter the world of intuitive technology?